Look at that.
Huh? Do you like vanilla milkshake?
Ice cream, please.
Mom, do you like vanilla milkshake? Do you want mine? Yeah.
I want to.
Next time I'll take medium because large is too big. Yeah.
I want it. I've never tasted it.
Trevor might not finish too.
I'll take no.
Trevor's one is half. Okay.
Mommy, next time.
I'll try to finish it here. I can, alright?
Yeah, you can finish it.
Yeah, but like, yeah, weak. Yeah.
You don't have to. Mommy, you know how hot it is outside and how cold it is inside? You don't know how cold it is, Bob.
Very good. Chicken that
The
full
drink
inside
is making
water.
it colder than the sun, okay?
The sun isn't cold.
Mommy, this does make
I think the ice cream was limited edition too.
So we're going to see in a few years.
No, I don't think it was limited edition. Cause mommy got it like an what's the name? Like a suggestion meal.
Dada, not really my ketchup now.
No, I remember last time you wanted ice cream and I chose Frappuccino thinking that it was ice cream.
Now you know me.
I don't think my straw is good anymore. My straw is just squished.
I'm trying to take I'm taking the entire thing out.
I think they changed the flaps on the drinks.
Yeah, it used to be a tight hole that's out 2 points. Now it's just
I can't take this with straw anymore.
I can't because I'm being a good guy and eating it like a guy.
Oh.
I finished my ketchup. I finished my ketchup now. Mom, I finished my ketchup. I'm just so fast, right?
Yeah. A Big Mac. Yeah. A Super Mac. Yeah.
Thank you.
Because this mommy too.
Karen. No, look at these bubbles. Is this ice cream? It's too much.
I will wait till we get. I just like McDonald's.
One more.
Ice cream, please.
Mommy, I want one.
No.
How is that cold? Because it's not cold. Oh, it's not cold. So it's not a cold drink.
But I thought they have the same drink as me.
It's just Coca-Cola.
Are you not taking this again?
Mine is vanilla milkshake.
It's the only thing she has left.
He's like, oh, I'm feeling the cold now.
I still have
Too cold, slow.
You don't hold my hand. This is amazing.
So,
I can back and ready to my holding the hands. I can't see it.
what the hell?
That's definitely gonna go viral.
Shut up.
The man's son, because they were looking like my moves. Okay? So it go viral. Hey guys, look how tiny hands I have. Tiny hands, tiny hands. look at yourself. Look at it.
Mustache. Yeah, mustache man.
Mom, thank you, baby, thank you.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Because that was the best meal ever. The way I feasted upon my enemy, like.
Ice cream,
I know.
If I'm going to Western, I'll tell them to be down to Little to get arrested. Right, Mom? I'm too little, right?
Yeah, but we were the evidence of payments.
Put your hand down, Bendy.
So fun.
I'm gonna go
So,
That was lovely. Why?
She's a nice lady.
Horrible lady. She was shouting. She's reading the video. I was told to go away.
So we just came out of McDonald's. And we're just like resting for a bit, then we'll get home.
Make you merry.
So yeah.
wait, I don't understand.